Before spending $150 on a service call, check these 3 things. One of them fixes it 60% of the time for free. Step 1. Is it unbalanced? Open the lid. Are all the clothes clumped on one side? Redistribute them evenly. A lopsided load triggers the safety sensor and the washer won't spin. Free fix. Takes 10 seconds. Step 2. Check the lid switch. Top loaders have a lid switch. If it's broken, the machine thinks the lid is open and won't spin. Test it with a multimeter. Replacement costs $15 on Amazon. Step 3. Check the drain filter. If water isn't draining, it won't spin. Look for a small door at the bottom front of the machine. Unscrew it slowly with towels ready. Black water and lint will pour out. Clean it out. Try these before calling anyone. If none of these work, drop your machine brand and model in the comments. Need a pro in Sacramento? Sublime Appliance Repair. Same-day service. 916-400-9880.